Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a website, brand new website which gives you free API keys of Claude, Codex, DeepSeek, Kimi K3, all the AI models. It gives you a simple API key, and once you sign up it also gives you $5 of free credits. The website name is ClaudeStore.store. Simply type this address and simply sign up. I've already signed up, as you can see, with my Google account, and as you see that, connect Telegram and join the ClaudeStore channel. Each completed action adds $5 in your basic. So as you see, it gave me this $1 bonus balance. So first of all, you need to connect your Telegram account. So this will give you more $5 bonus. So simply connect your Telegram and join their channel, ClaudeStore bot. So it's very easy. So once you connect, you simply need to join the channel, click on start. So as you see that your ClaudeStore is now linked to the chat, Telegram connected, and you will see that $6 remaining. It gave me $5 of free credits once I connected my account. So you will see that $5 of free credits claimed, and as you see that verify claim, and so you click the join channel button. You already joined the channel, as you can see that. After that, you will get another credit. Click on verify and claim. So you will see that, guys, it gave me $10 of free credits. So simply complete these steps, collect your Telegram account, join their channels, and click on verify. It will give you $10 of free credits. And now I will show you how to create the API key. Go to the API key button. It's a very good website. I'm using it for past 6 months, and it's very simple. This is your OpenAI compatible base URL. This is your Anthropic. So you can easily use it in Claude Code very simply. And we go to the API key. We click on, just give it a name. Click on API key. So simply copy this API key. And now to connect this, it's very simple. You click, you create a, as you see, I've already created this settings.local.json. Just create a Claude folder, .claude folder. Inside this, create settings.local.json. I've already created this, and simply paste this API key right here. I've given this JSON code in the description of the video. Simply copy this code, JSON code, create a .claude folder in your working directory, and just create a settings.local.json, and then paste the code that I have given in the description of the video, and then paste your API key that you got from this website. So we have this base URL we also need to copy. So the base URL, let me copy this and paste it. Very simple setup in order to use Claude Code. I paste the base URL, then we paste the API key, and now here we need to paste the actual models. So right here, you go to the overview section. As you see that, click on ClaudeStore. So basically it gave you $10 of free API usage. And now to connect this, you click on model, simply copy the model ID of whichever model that you want to use. So let me use the Claude Opus model. I copy this simply model ID. Let me use this. Claude Fable is also available, as you can see that Claude Fable, Claude Opus. Let me now paste this Claude Fable right here, and let me paste this one as well, Claude Opus. So just copy these four models, and after that the configuration is complete. Let me open this terminal. So after making these changes, restart your terminal, simply type Claude. So make sure that you have Claude code installed. So simply it will show you this detected a custom API key. Do you want to use this API key? So I will simply say yes. And now in the model section, you will see all the models will be detected. Simply select your model, which is Claude Fable. Let me send out a request. So it is saying that invalid API key. Let me see. Let me restart. Uh, so if you created the API key, simply go to the settings page. So you will see that we got $10 of free credits and open keys. So they have a setup file right here. Choose Claude or Codex. So for Claude code, as you see that you have one API key. Let me revoke it and create a new API key. Just give it a name. Let me use the basic. Copy this API key and simply paste it. So I pasted this. So setup copy setup prompt. So if you look at their documentation, they have given this Claude code Anthropic format, Claude base URL. So for Claude code, you need to paste this URL, which is this URL. So let me copy this. So configure Claude code or a Claude compatible client to use Anthropic base URL API key, required key group, basic default Claude model. So sorry, we need to use this one, Claude Sonnet. So let me just replace it, change this. So we need to paste this URL that they gave us, API 3. So just paste this base URL. So again, restart the terminal. Simply type Claude. Select the model. It is giving me this error. Anthropic. Let me use this base URL. So the process is the same, guys, that I'm showing you. You can use any base URL. For example, I'm using this different one. So Claude Sonnet. So in this easy way, you can get your $10 and view quick start. They have given all the instructions. This will be the base URL. This is your API key. At this moment of time, Claude Code is not working as you see, but you can try with other AI coding agents or any other API providers such as Clin, Code. So these $10 that I got, they have also given this Python example as well. Let me use a Python script now. Python. So it will list out all the models. So right here you need to paste the API key. So go to the dashboard and so simply paste this API key and just run this Python script. So I simply say Python app dot. So basically it lists out all the models which are there. So through Python script is perfectly working, guys. As you see, the Python script is perfectly working. So in this easy way you can run this, you can read their documentation. So click on view quick start. So for Claude Code they have given this base URL and how to set it up. So this is a free API that they are offering it $10 that I showed you how to do this. So this is again another example. Let me create another example app too. So where we actually ask a question. So let me paste the API key. So I paste this API key right here. So as you can see, we are using Claude Sonnet model and we are simply asking what is machine learning. You are a helpful assistant. So you can see that now the AI will respond to us what is machine learning and it will give the answer. So we are using Claude Sonnet model. So just wait for some time. It is giving you this result. You will see that it gave us the result. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence where system learn. So right here you can use this API for totally free, guys. You can change the question that top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. So as you see that now we are asking a different question, top Node.js frameworks in 2026, and it will respond to us. The top 10 frameworks is returned in the terminal as you see that, guys. So the API is perfectly working, guys. As you see that you need to get the API key inside the dashboard, and if you see your usage section, some credits will be consumed. So from here you can see the usage, how many requests you make, total cost, input output tokens, everything is listed here, guys, how much request you make. So right here. So definitely check this website out. It's a very awesome website.